George Bernard Shaw said, "The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place." Communication allows us to express our thoughts, feelings, and ideas. It is a way we connect with each other and the world. It creates cultures and customs, languages and philosophies. It comes in all forms, spoken, written, and nonverbal. This is why when communication is broken, the results can be disastrous. Communication is the key to success in all aspects of life, especially in the workplace. Creating relationships and communicating in a professional environment is delicate and often makes people nervous and hesitant. With so many different means of communication that's available to us today, whether it is email, our internal company messenger, texts, or even verbal, messages can be misconstrued and delivered badly. They can come off as too aggressive or not adamant enough. A subordinate might be too nervous to express his or her concerns to a manager, and a manager might not know how to approach an employee without coming off in a negative way. Team members might have trouble communicating in such a way that makes projects go smoothly. While all of this is normal and at times even expected in a business environment, it is an issue that we must address, an issue that we must correct to get the operations of our company working better, and most importantly, to make sure that all employees feel comfortable, respected, and acknowledged. In this presentation, we will discuss the many ways we can improve communication in our company and what each and every one of us can do to help the situation.